Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well and having a nice weekend. It has been a while since the last time that I posted over here. I have actually been taking a little bit of a break from YouTube and focusing a little bit more on other social media platforms. You will see that I have been posting way more consistently on TikToks recently, but I have to say that TikTok is still kind of my first love, so I definitely want to come back here and post some more videos for you guys. And today I'm coming with a very nice video. It is a collaboration with a brand that I have been loving for a while and I definitely have been following for a while. Also a fan of the brand itself. Also ordered there a couple of years ago actually for the first time, and it's very nice. It's kind of like a full circle moment that I get to work with them. So I'm talking about the brand Linjer. This is a very beautiful jewelry brand. It is actually a women grounded brand and I definitely love to support that. And they have a very beautiful fine jewelry pieces. They are definitely on the luxurious side of jewelries, but definitely with a more affordable price. Their qualities are definitely something that is very impressive to me. As I said, I have ordered myself a couple of years ago actually. I ordered a ring from them, and to be honest, the ring is still in very good condition, so I am definitely very impressed. So I was very honored that they reached out to me and they wanted to collaborate on this video. I'll definitely show you guys a couple of pieces that I got from them and also explain to you a little bit about the brand itself and the history and background, and also the jewelry pieces and how to take care of them. So starting off, I got this first ring over here, which I find to be a very beautiful, very kind of like simple ring, but it's definitely one of those rings that you will keep and you will have for a very long time. You guys know by now that if you have seen other videos on my channel that I am a big fan of very fine jewelry pieces. I am just not the kind of like bulky jewelry type of girl. I am more of the fine jewelry type of person. I like to also stack my jewelry with other pieces that I have, so it's definitely important for me that they are very easily combinable with other pieces that I have in my jewelry box. And I find that, for example, this ring from Linjer is a perfect example of that, because it is very stylish and also very timeless. I feel very elegant. It's a piece that you can have kind of like in your jewelry box for a very long time and it will not lose kind of like that very style and kind of like this elegance that it has. So I find that definitely this is a ring that you can stack very easily with other pieces, and as I said before, this is a very affordable brand, so it has luxurious pieces but with an affordable price. And not only that, but their pieces are also of a very good quality. They are all gold plated with a 22 karat gold, and they have this ability to last for a very long time. The same also goes for this very beautiful heart ring that I am wearing. It is also absolutely stunning. It is such a dainty piece to have. I feel like this is also very easily stackable with other pieces. I am the type of person that likes to have like two or three, I would say, necklaces that are very fine, and all of them definitely gold. I am definitely the gold type of person, and I feel that this one is definitely a very beautiful addition to that one. As I said, it has this very beautiful heart detail, which I find to be so cute and just, I don't know, so girly for some reason, and I really love that. The same also goes for this beautiful bracelet. This is also one of those bracelets that is very timeless. I feel very elegant, that you get to wear kind of with all other pieces that you have as well in your jewelry box. I also like to stack my bracelets. Normally I tend to wear two of them, and I just like to keep them together because I just feel it gives kind of like a fuller look into my hand. So I definitely really like that. And this one is also beautiful. It has this very beautiful stone in here, which has this very nice kind of like yellowish color. I tend to go, I think you can see kind of like the vibe. I think even my normal other rings that I have, they tend to have kind of very similar stones, just because I like the coloring of them, and I feel that this will go definitely so well with other pieces that I have in my jewelry box, and I find that to be super cute. And as I said, I would say that my most worn pieces out of the three have definitely been this necklace, which I have not taken off since I received it together with this bracelet. which I've also been wearing. And as I said, I have been wearing this also when I go to the office, when I go to the gym, and not taking them off also when I take showers and so on. And to be honest, I have not seen one sign of damage. And as I said, I have already tested this brand before, so I am very confident. So just like in their long-lasting effect, as I said, they are very, very beautiful quality pieces, and as I said, for the price that they come, they are definitely super affordable, and you also get a good quality of jewelry which are gold plated and will last you for a very, very long time. Together with the jewelry pieces, I also got this super cute jewelry box. I was actually in need of one just because when I am traveling around, I always tend to keep my jewelry in one of kind of like these sacks, and they are just getting very messy. Sometimes I get tangled with one another, and that's just not the vibe. So I am very, very happy that I get now to put them all into this jewelry box, which is so cute. And it also has the name of the brand here, and it has enough space to put a couple of necklaces as well as all the rings or bracelets, together with earrings that I normally take with me when I go on holiday or when I just travel for a short amount of time. As I said, I definitely needed something similar, so I'm very happy to have this one. This is also a very sturdy box in case you are maybe also looking for something similar, especially when it comes to like a travel size box. I feel that this is definitely perfect, and it also has this very nice brown color, which also goes well with the rest of my kind of clothes and everything that I put in my bags. So I definitely really like that, and that is definitely useful, and it will come handy very, very well for the trips that I have planned for this year. This is kind of my video on the Linjer pieces that I got. As I said, I can only recommend these pieces to you guys. They are very, very beautiful. They are qualitative. They are gold plated. They will last you a long time. They will not be tarnished or damaged even when you are doing random everyday tasks, and they are just pieces that you can stack so well with other pieces that you have in your jewelry boxes. And I think that these are pieces that go well with any type of style that you may have. I have kind of like a very mixed style in my clothes. I tend to wear you know, office looks, but also very, very casual looks, and I feel like these go with kind of everything that I have been wearing the past weeks, so I can only recommend them. And as I said, I never want to recommend you guys any pieces that I do not believe 100% in, and as I said, testing them myself has only been kind of confirming what I'm also saying to you guys. So definitely have a look at their website. I also have a discount code for you guys. With my code, it's Nadia20. You can get 20% for a limited time. You can find the links and everything, or the links of all the pieces that I'm wearing and every other information that you need in the description box down below. But yeah, definitely check it out and keep an eye on them. They are, I think, a brand that is definitely worth it, and I think that it should be in kind of like your radar of jewelry brands that you might want to try out in the future. But yeah, a big thank you also to Linjer for sponsoring this video and for collaborating with me. And yeah, I'm very, very happy to be doing this video with you. But yeah, thank you guys. I hope that you liked this video. As I said, all the links and infos and everything you will find in the description box down below. Yeah, let me know if you want similar videos in the future, and I will be posting here more regularly from now on, so definitely very happy to be back on the YouTube platform. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye!